In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add anchor links to posts in WordPress. Anchor links, also known as anchor tags or HTML anchors, are HTML elements used to create specific points within a web page that users can jump to by clicking a link. Anchor links are often used for navigation purposes within the same web page. When a user clicks on an anchor link, the web page scrolls to the designated anchor point. In order to add anchor links, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Posts and click on All Posts. You can see various posts here. Edit the one in which you want to add anchor links. Now here we need to add anchor tags first. I'll add anchor tags here to these bullet points so that, when clicked, the article jumps directly to their explanations. To do so, simply select the text, and then click on the link icon. Following the hash icon, give it an ID like this. This name serves as the identifier for the anchor link. Similarly, I'll repeat the process with other bullet points as well. The next step is to point the browsers to the section you want to show when users click on your anchor link. For that, you'll need to switch to the text mode. Now, locate the HTML tag you want to target, add an ID attribute to it with your anchor link slug without the hashtag prefix, like this, and similarly repeating the process, locate all HTML tags and add an ID attribute with the slugs, like this. Once everything's in place, simply click on the Update button. Let's preview the changes now. And you can see this is how it works. This was all about how to add anchor links to posts in WordPress. Now, in case you also want to learn how to force users to log in first before reading posts, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.